Hi, good afternoon. This is Mini Dar, and this is for my bio class 225. Today, I will be doing the biochemical testing and microbial identification. To begin with, I got my active culture here. I already did one, which is the E. coli, so now I'm gonna have to do the epidermis. So I did the E. coli, now I'm gonna do the epidermis. So I have my nutrient broth, which is, it has a labeled, it's labeled E. epidermis, Streptococcus epidermis. And then I also have my MRVP broth, and this is where I'm going to transfer it. And it's labeled S for epidermis. I'm going to put it here so it doesn't get too confusing. And then I have my candle so I can sterilize it. And I also have my pipette in alcohol. I have my pipette in alcohol. And I have my undiluted bleach where I put the pipette. That's where I do. And I have the flame so I can sterilize the mouth of the bottle. First of all, I gathered my active broth, which is the epidermis. And then what I do is I remove the cap and pass the lip of vial over the flame. So I put the cap up like that, and I pass the lip over the flame. And then that's it. And then I'm going to remove the cap of my epidermis, my MRVP broth epidermis. I'm going to remove the cap also. And then I'm going to pass this through the flame to the flame too. Pass it, the lip. Okay, I did it. And then I'm going to remove the dropper out of the alcohol. So I'm going to remove the dropper and make sure it's dry, so I tap it. And then I carefully insert the top of the pipette in the active culture broth, so the epidermis broth, and draw a small amount. So I'm going to draw a small amount. And then I'm going to drop it to my MRVP broth, 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 drops into the MRVP tube. And then I'm going to put this pipette in the undiluted bleach. And then I pass through the lip again. Pass the lip through the light. And then carefully cap it. And this is the epidermis. And this is the epidermis. And then I'm going to do the same thing. And then I'm going to cap it. And then what you do after that is you incubate it for 48 hours to see the growth on the tubes. And that concludes my video for biochemical testing and microbial identification for my bio class 225. Thank you very much.